Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your Instagram DM theme. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your Instagram app from your app drawer and make sure to log in first. Once you're inside Instagram accounts, tap on the DM option or the chat bubble icon at the top right hand corner. This will bring up your conversation screen. All of the conversation you've made till date will be listed on this page. Select the conversation you'd like to change your theme on, and now tap on the profile name of that person. At the top, under chat settings, there's an option that says theme. Give it a tap and choose from multiple of themes available for Instagram. Select a theme of your choice and go back by tapping on the arrow button at the top left. That is how you'll be able to change your DM theme on Instagram app. Pretty simple, isn't it? Hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.